I've seen her, I've seen her. I've seen her. Let's make a sprint. Let's make a sprint. It's a classy vintage. Hello guys. This is me. I'm not gonna say who am I because we'll save that for later. And today is my first vlog. My first vlog through this GoPro, and I'm really nervous about it because I don't know how would people react, what would people say, what would people ask for me. But that's what I'm going to do. Collect the reactions, of course. But anyway, we don't have much time because there will be sunset and we're gonna have to find a place to see the sunset. But let's just see how it goes. So this is really happening, you know. People are really seeing it. Really nervous for now, but we are just going to have a drink. Why not just have a drink for now and try to relax our mind so that we can focus on the work. Well, most of people are seeing me, but we didn't get what we wanted. Okay, so let's see how many reactions we get. Right, my voice is crystal clear. I mean, not with the voices, of course. We have some noises here, vehicle noises, bike sounds, car sounds, a lot of things. Here goes the first reaction, a good one. Yeah, he just turned to me and saw what I'm doing. I really don't know what to say, what to do, because we don't have anything to do here. We can't even make stunts. We can't even do anything else. Just a little bit of walking, and of course, if you want to, just sprint. Well, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, so I guess we have walked over 1 kilometer, I guess. Yeah, it should be 1 kilometer or maybe less. Who knows? I didn't know it was there. So in this past few years, popularity has been increased here, because whenever I came here, it was just all forest things. No population, no houses, and nothing else. Now if we see here, we got a lot of peoples. Now if we see here, we got a lot of people walking and working and riding and dying. Of course not dying, but yeah, in one sense. Just for the proverb, you know. Alright, so I had to meet someone here. Always push your trash into dustbin. Make sure you put your trash into dustbin so no one suffers. Anyways, this is the last cut and we gotta go. Alright. If you can walk on Asian's road, then of course you can walk anywhere, even on mountain, even on water. Just believe it. Just believe it if I say. And second one is if you can ride motorcycle in Asia, then you can ride motorcycles anywhere. You don't need to hesitate about it. And if you can drive, see the first example. Anyways, but if you can drive cars or that rickshaws in Asia, then you can ride these. You don't need to hesitate, and you can ride that things anywhere in the world. We have no rules here. See, we don't even have zebra crossing here. Everyone's just, you can just do it like this and do it like this, and you can do it like this. See how close to the car, how close to the bike. Anyways, this is it. It is what it is. This is Pakistan. If you know how to live here, you can live anywhere. But the thing is, I love my Pakistan. I mean, I love my country. I was born here, and you don't need to ask me that. Obviously, I would say that I love this country because I do love this country. But some things get bad, something gets good, and you can't even predict anything here. Anything can go bad. Even most of the businesses fail here. A lot of times, of course. But the thing is, we should know how to survive here. If your survival is good here, then you should thank to God that you are still alive. Because you don't know what can go wrong. Alright, the sun is going down and we don't know where to look at it. We don't have the place. I mean, I gotta find something like a skyscraper, like that building. But we don't have any here. We don't have access here, so I can't really go and enjoy the sunset. So I'll just go home. Okay, we had seen a pink color vintage car, and I'm gonna see if she's still here. If she's still there. It's too noisy. It's too noisy. I have the camera, I have the bike, I have the helmet. Now I want you to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Don't worry, it won't hurt your fingers. Just subscribe the channel, okay? I guess she has been dragged inside because they didn't want anybody else to look her. Yeah, they have took her inside. They have took her inside. Anyways, some other time we'll see. See, cars have been manufacturing, so they have been modifying cars like this one. I don't know, where is she? She just disappeared. Anyways, this is the last stop, and I hope that we will see you again tomorrow. Make sure you like the channel and subscribe the you like the channel and subscribe the you should like the channel and subscribe the like the video and subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Oh, wait guys, I've seen her. Let's make a sprint. There she is. There she is. I've been looking for her. Look. It's a classy vintage. See? You can see her. Oh, she looks good. We can upgrade it if we have money. So if you want me to upgrade this car, just hit the like button. And of course, subscribe the channel. And maybe we could help someone out either. Anyways, see ya guys. See you later.